YouTube! How you guys doing today? It's Mike, Pratt Family Homestead. Friday vlog day. Boy, it is pretty late in the day. And all we're doing today is butchering chickens. That's all we're doing all day. So I don't even know if this video will actually even go up as a Friday vlog. But getting a very late start to everything today. I had a doctor's appointment this morning. Hey, my blood sugar, granted I'm on some medicine, but my blood pressure is way lower than it's ever been my whole life. So that's really, really, really good. But anyways, I had to go to the doctor, get just checkup stuff. Nothing's wrong. Checkup stuff, blood draw, all that good stuff. Almost back home now. Jenny is sick as a dog. I feel so bad for her. It's a cold, dreary, rainy day, which I think the rain is supposed to stop soon, but we're going to be out here butchering chickens all day. And then tomorrow, our Hodgepodge Homestead, John, I know John for sure, I don't know about Heather, but John for sure is coming over. He's going to help us butcher more chickens tomorrow, and hopefully we can get it all finished up tomorrow. But come along. We'll see if this video even makes it, gets put up today or not, because, I mean, there's not going to be a whole lot. We are butchering chickens all day. All right, so Jenny and I haven't gotten a ton done. We got 10 or 15 birds done. We got a really late start, like I was saying. Andrew, how was school today?
Good.
Was it? Anything fun?
Assembly, and when they were playing, they played tug of war, the teachers, and the thing broke.
The rope broke?
Yeah.
And they all fell on their butts?
Yeah.
All the teachers fell on their butts?
Exactly.
I'm being chased.
By the cops.
By the cops.
By the cops? You're the cops? You're the police? Oh no.
You blew it over.
I tell you what, you're the cutest police I ever saw. Yep, here's the ones we did yesterday.
Got a bunch of whole, bunch of quarters.
Bunch of quarters not packed up yet. This is not freezing in here.
No, this is just being used as a cooler.
Yep, and I did accidentally, I plugged it in to get it cold last night, and I left it a little too long, and those whole chickens froze just a little. The quarters weren't in there yesterday.
Right.
How was your day at school?
Good. There was a special treat at lunch, and it was pudding.
Pudding's a special treat. Okay.
Sometimes it's slushy, sometimes it's
Rice Krispie treats.
Rice Krispie treats. They're specialty.
Is that a Jolly Rancher stick? I can't remember last time I had one of those. So actually, we're going to get about 10 more birds dispatched here real quick, hopefully. You know, we only got 5 cones, so I'm not sure what we're doing. But you and the kids are leaving.
Yes, they have. It's homecoming. They have floats to go on for in the parade, and then well, Andrew doesn't, but the other 3 do. TJ stayed after school with this cross country team. They're eating pizza and all sorts of fun stuff.
And then, right, so Faith is going to be on her softball or her Girl Scout float?
She chose softball.
And is
then
Grace going to be on one?
She's with Girl Scouts.
She's with Girl Scouts too. Okay, there's obviously a problem with Grace behind us.
Yeah, I
so
know what it is. It's fine.
Is she whining because we told her to hold on?
No, she's whining because her bracelet was on the freezer that we opened, and so it slid off the back, and she couldn't.
And
find it.
Andrew rescued the day.
Andrew saved it. I knew right where it was, Peanut.
All right, let's get
Gotta
to
love
some,
5-year-old drama.
let's get to some chicken.
Yay.
No drama, ever.
Go ahead, Bruce. Go ahead. Good job. Go ahead, get it. Good job. Can't go back over, buddy. Ooh. Gavin and
Oh, take one. Next one.
almost at it. They need a small saddle.
Here comes the horses.
Oh, there they are. They're beautiful. Hey, how are you, Doc? Hey, I'm good. How are you?
That's so sweet. Oh no, I want that one. I'm with you. I see one more. Me, Dave, and PJ was good fish. Is that right?
Hi, Peanut.
Hi, Julie.
Go ahead.
Oh, Julie had candy, but she didn't have enough time to grab it.
It's all right.
All right, so here's our little operation. We got the trailer, chickens. They go in the cone. They get watch out, pop, chopped. They hang up for a while. We get 5 done at a time. And then I usually come. There's usually a bird or two that still needs to be broke down. Jenny will go get a bird out of the cone. She'll come and dunk it over here. And she has 2 pots of water going. Because once a pot has done about 5 birds, she can't stand the smell of it anymore. So she's always got a fresh one going. Makes perfect sense. Borrowed the chicken plucker. Bird goes in there. We are finding, I know you read online, they say 145. For us, according to this thermometer, we got to get closer to 160 for the, even the pull test for it to get to come out nice. Throw it in the plucker. Boom. And then it comes over here to me. And then it comes over here to me where I break it down. Or just gut it or quarter it. We have found that there's no real point in gutting the bird if we're just going to quarter it. Yes, we save some carcasses and stuff for bone broth, but if we're going to quarter 60 chickens, there is no point in gutting 60 chickens, so we will just quarter them if need be. We save feet, liver, and gizzards for Jenny's friend who feeds her dogs all natural. She buys that from us, and also we save as much of the necks as we can, and we make broth out of that as well. So Jenny and the kids have already left for the homecoming stuff, so I'm going to start packaging these whole birds that we have done. So I got to do that, but I made a nice little slit here, and whatever, try to make it pretty. These are all birds that we're selling, so I try to make them look as nice as possible. If we're not selling them, I don't really care what they look like. So I'm going to put these in shrink bags. Boom, they're going to go in the hot water. Once that is, I believe the instructions say 180 to 200. I did a whole bunch last night. I'll do some more here today, and then Jenny gets home. We're going to try and knock out that trailer before bedtime. We'll see. And then all the rest of the birds you see walking around are free-range meat birds. Actually, I need to go feed them. Well, yeah, I'll feed them. I'll give them one last meal. But they won't be eating any more tonight or tomorrow, obviously. So, or maybe I won't. They're out grazing right now anyways. I don't know. I'll think about if I want to feed them tonight or not. They definitely ate this morning and this afternoon, so I probably won't feed them tonight. Just makes the whole processing a little nicer. But these birds this year have loved running around. All right, so I got those birds packaged up. I saved one of those birds for when Jenny gets back, so I can show you guys the shrink wrap process. But came down to feed the girls. I noticed their feeders were tipped over, which means they're out of feed, which I really don't feel too bad. These pigs are... I posted the other day. I feel bad they're out of feed, but they have not been out of feed. I posted the other day these Tamworth right here. How you doing, girl? Are over 300 pounds. Look how big this girl is. Oh my gosh. Yes, sweetheart. The red walls got some catching up to do, but they are looking better. they're looking better. I'm a little worried about these red wattles being too small, and they will probably be smaller than last year, but they're looking good. These Tamworth are huge. You girls are huge. If you didn't catch Facebook and stuff, what happened is I forgot that I got these pigs a month earlier, and I set the month earlier this year than last year. Actually, they were born a month earlier this year than last year, but I set the butcher date for the same time this year. So they've had, these Tamworth are having a whole extra month of growing, which they're huge. And the red wattles we actually got a month later, so they're actually going to be a little smaller, kind of weird. Oh well, let me get these girls fed. Well, and boys, but all the Tamworth are girls. So these lovely pigs that I love so much taught me a lesson. See the feeder in the mud there? They basically saying, let it go empty and we'll fill it with mud. Great. I usually have them strapped down so they can't do this, but I needed the straps for something, so brought some shovels and stuff down to get it cleaned out. Fun.
Okay, so we're going to package a bag with the shrink wrap bags. You need your water temp between 180 and 200. We're sitting at 192, so we are good to go.
I've been really trying to get as much moisture out of these as I can. Why? No idea. But so all you do, put it in there, put it down neck side first, or as the instructions say, feet up. And as you saw earlier in the video, I was kind of playing around doing the nice little pretty thing. So put the straw in.
Into the cavity, right?
It doesn't have to be in the cavity.
Oh.
I found when I put it all the way into the cavity, it was gurgling out blood and juices.
Yeah, that's gross.
I mean, it's not filled, but if you put it all the way down, the vacuum of it, we put that on there pretty tight. And within seconds, so you can see it's kind of loose. It's kind of, you know, I mean, it's good enough like this, but you can hear it. Oh, we're not hearing this one. I'm probably actually keeping this in here a hair long, but get it shrunk up pretty good. And be careful, that's hot water. And look at that. Beautiful. But then what you do is you come over here. Oh no. I did that a couple times. A couple of our bags have double zip ties because I clipped that before pulling that and giving it an extra cinch. Then we'll go over here and put it in the freezer. This is where we're kind of temporarily holding stuff. Oh, let's weigh it, Mom. We're not going to label it right now, but...
Ooh, it's squeaky. Squeaky clean. 6 pounds, 7.1 ounces. That's pretty good.
Yeah, and actually the more I scoot it this way, because I had it at 6'8" earlier.
6 pounds, 8 ounces.
6.5 pounds.
That's a nice sized chicken.
And then we're putting it in there. Staying cold in here for a little while. We're going to get it freezing tomorrow, but we got some of our quartered stuff that I need to package up still. Chicken feet to friends, gizzards, all that good stuff. So we're working it, and it got to be super late tonight, and we got a lot of chickens to do to meet our goal. And those guys are helping. We're going to get busy. All right, it is a family affair tonight, a little late night chicken butchering. Girl, boy, that's going to make everybody dizzy. We got the plucking table, which this is just finishing off from the plucker. I believe John from our Hodgepodge Homestead is bringing over a whiz-bang plucker tomorrow. I'm kind of curious to see how that goes. But these kids are doing the finished cleanups.
Grab it by the foot.
Are doing the finished cleanups, and then Jenny and I are going to let them at it, and we're going to go butcher some more. This is Faith's first time cutting feet off. Okay. You really want to pick it up and let all the way to the chicken break that knee.
Yep.
Yep.
I can't see what we're doing here. There we go.
Good job, darling. See if you can get the next one by yourself.
Daddy.
You're going to get right in between here. There. Like that, okay? So. Move the knife
Buddy
away
doesn't
from
like you.
See this bump?
What?
Buddy the meat boy does not like you.
Why?
Because you killed it.
I did. I think Buddy got killed yesterday.
Okay, so Now you can kind of see in there, and that's right where you want
You really want to try bending that face so that that chicken breaks its own knee, kinda.
Yep, and tip this up just a little bit.
Your knife's only doing a very little work. You want to keep bringing it up and breaking it. She's crooked, I think.
Yours can go like this if you need a nail.
And you got to kind of push down a little bit, not too much.
I'm glad that they're wearing gloves. Put a little oomph in there.
Let me take a look.
Okay, we have the radio out here blasting. Good job, Faith. We have the radio out here blasting, but we, due to YouTube's rules and stuff, I got it turned down. So we're going to get that radio blasting. We're going to knock out some chickens, girlfriend. And I don't know. We got 5 being done here pretty quick, so I'm hoping for at least another 15 tonight's what I'm hoping. We'll see. But we're going to release the kids pretty soon.
Watch this. Okay? So I'm going round, and then I'm blasting.
Hey, I would also like to say, Jenny, I think the kids will probably be talking about this at the Homesteaders of America conference next week.
Yep.
Or at least part of it. The kids are featured speakers. Well, I don't know if featured's the correct word, but the kids are speaking. What did you want to say, bud?
What next one that you cut open, will you show us the chickens, hi?
Yep, I will. And I've already shown you quite a few, but yeah. All right, I'm over here gutting a chicken. This is how we roll. 9:30 at night.
Grandpa Pig help Peppa decorate her pumpkin. Very good. Spooky, says Peppa. Hee hee. Now,
The serial killer.
Look here.
Reading books to kids.
now it is time to go to the contest.
Very good,
job.
Grace. Holy cow.
That.
Oh, wow.
Oh no. Peppa's pumpkin.
In between chicken butchering. I love it. All right, we're getting cleaned up. I'm gonna go sit down, get all this quartered chicken packaged up. And I have banned the kids from writing that while we're in here working, and
I'm all done working.
I'm all done working, she says. All right, you guys have a good night.